auntie. Well, you spotted that one. I spotted that one too. Me yours? Yeah, right. I think we've got enough Minnie Mouses. She is cute though. We don't have one like that. We don't have a disco one.
No, it's quite nice and
nice size as well, isn't she?
Yeah. She's nice and bright.
Peacock. Oh, Annabelle, look at the birdies. We've got these on our watch list too. Oh, why have I not been in this shop before? The horsies. Oh, the little lambs are around here. Look at the little lambs. I like that one. Sat up. Look, he's got mint green on him. He is cute. Get the giraffes up there, Sheena.
Oh my god. I love it.
I do. I like the one kind of like leaning over.
I like my one with the banana. Can't see any on shelves.
Wow. Look at all the Charlie bears as well. Wow. The Charlie bears and the pink bears. Oh, look. That's good. No, not at all. Owls and pussycats. Oh, it's a little Steph. I like the one with the head leaning over. Yeah, that one. Yeah, I like that one.
I like them ginormous ones that stand up.
Yeah, I know, but you know, you need the room for those ginormous ones. You kind of need the room for a ginormous one.
You just make room, don't you?
Yeah, you do. You do.
You just make room. It's quite sweet.
Oh, go get your birdie out of the shop. Tweet, 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 tweet. Me got me little birdie. And Annabelle got a watch from her auntie and uncle for Easter. Look, it's got a little pony on it. Yeah, she's a lucky girl. You're a lucky girl, aren't you? Oh, where's your tweet tweet gone? He's very good. He's very soft. It's very realistic. He's living nature. Hey. He goes tweet tweet tweet. Oh, look, he's landed on your shoulder. He has. Oh, mommy, can't do it. He's landed on my shoulder. He's whispering in your ear.